Lumber prices up more than 32% in the past month, even as demand from home builders seems to be softening. So what's behind this move? Diana Olick is here to help break this down. Diana.
Well, Melissa, it's really been a roller coaster. Look, lumber prices jumped dramatically in the first 2 years of the pandemic and then fell back last year, finally giving home builders a bit of a break. But now they're up again, as you said, nearly 33% in just the last month. Why? Well, home builders' sentiment finally ticked up for the first time in a year, so investors now see potential for increased demand in the coming months. Costs for other building materials, though, are still rising, but not as fast. The annual gain in building products was just around 8% last year. Compare that with a 19% gain the year before. That's a 60% drop in the gain. But again, they're still gaining. Now, take gypsum, for example. That's your wallboard. Although last year's price gain of nearly 18% was more than 3 times the 25-year average, it was substantially lower than the 23% increase seen in 2021. And other materials like copper, steel, and cement are also up. In fact, residential construction material costs have increased 36% since the start of 2020. Higher construction costs caused the median new home price to jump from around $328,000 in January 2020 to over $442,000 at the end of last year. And that is why builders just can't lower their prices very much. Melissa.
All right, Diana, thank you. Diana Olick. So what do you think of the housing trade, Bonawyn?
Yeah, I think they can't catch a break, particularly when you take a look at the housing-related sector. It's made a pretty meaningful rally from the lows here. And we start to see things turn around. We finally get rates that start to not only come down, but start to stabilize. And really, that's what it is, because these companies have got to hedge. And you're starting to see a bit of tumult in the, commercial real estate market. And so you're looking at home builders and you're saying, listen, this might actually be a leading indicator, a bright spot where there might be some upside here. And I think this might just be, might be the canary in the coal mine that leads us to see a pause in these housing-related names in the short term.
Yeah, when you think about, when I thought about lumber prices rising that much, I also thought about what International Paper said in their earnings call, and that is customers are starting to restock their boxes.
Yeah.
So it's all sort of this little ecosystem here that we're seeing.
So inflation is starting to rear its ugly head again. And, we tried to, one of the things that we did, I think, in the fall is the simplicity in the housing trade. And I know it's frustrating, but if rates were going to go lower, which they did in 10-year, then almost by definition, some of these home builders will go higher. DHI was a $75 stock-ish around Halloween. It almost made a new all-time high over the last couple of weeks. I think the all-time high was 109. It traded at 102. Now's when things get sort of dicey, because are rates headed back up, or are we going to stall here and 10-year yield's going to go back down? So if you've been in the home builder trade, to Bonawyn's point, I think now's the time to probably start trimming, taking some profit.